Most AI creators are still generating videos at 480p, maybe 720p if they're lucky. And every time they try to unlock higher quality, they hit expensive paywalls or run out of credits almost instantly. Meanwhile, Seedance is capable of creating stunning cinematic videos in full 1080p, but almost nobody is using it the right way. In this video, I'll show you how to access Seedance at 1080p with millions of free tokens from a platform most creators completely ignore. And make sure you watch until the end, because one simple setting can drain your entire balance in minutes. Let's get started. The website we're going to use is called BytePlus, and I want to be honest with you. The first time I opened it, it looked like a platform built entirely for developers, which is probably why most content creators scroll right past it. But hidden inside are several powerful AI models, including Seedance, and that's the one we're here for today. So open a new tab, go to BytePlus, then sign up. You can register with your email or just use your Google account. The whole process takes less than a minute. Once you're inside, scroll down through the page until you find the featured models list. Then click on Dreamina, Seedance 2.0. If it doesn't appear immediately, just keep scrolling right or left. It's there. Click on it. Once you land on the Dreamina, Seedance 2.0 page, click Start Now. Click Go to Playground. This is where everything happens. Now here's the part I need you to pay close attention to. At the time I'm recording this video, Seedance 2.0 has not been publicly released yet. So the model we're going to use today is Seedance 1.5 Pro. And look at what the platform gives you. 2 millions of tokens, not hundreds, not thousands, 2 millions. When I first saw this number, I honestly thought I was reading it wrong, because compared to most AI video platforms, the difference is almost ridiculous. And when you start calculating how many tokens a single generation actually costs, you begin to understand just how far those token credits can actually take you. This is why I told you at the beginning, don't leave early, because most people never even reach this screen. Now here's the part I warned you about, and this is probably the most important section in this entire video. Watch carefully. When you start adjusting certain video settings, look what happens to the token cost. It jumps dramatically. One wrong setting, and a single generation costs you thousands, several times more than it should. Most people don't even notice until their balance is gone. So let me show you exactly what to avoid. The biggest credit killer is changing the aspect ratio directly through the settings. When you select certain ratios inside the platform, the token cost increases significantly. But here's the workaround that almost nobody is using. Instead of selecting the aspect ratio through the settings, describe it inside your prompt. For example, just write, at the end of prompt, cinematic landscape video, 16:9 aspect ratio, or vertical video, 9:16 aspect ratio. That's it. The model understands exactly what you mean, and the generation cost stays dramatically lower. This one small trick, over time, saves an enormous amount of credits, and honestly, it's the difference between running out in a day and having access for weeks. Now here's something else creators keep asking about. 1080p generation. Most people are stuck generating at 480p or 720p and constantly looking for ways to get better quality. Well, inside BytePlus, higher quality settings are available directly inside the playground, which makes this platform especially useful if you're creating YouTube videos, short films, AI storytelling content, or cinematic videos. Now let's actually generate some clips. Type your prompt into the input box. Apply the aspect ratio directly in the text as I showed you, and hit generate. Try them all. Action scenes, cinematic landscape shots, image to video conversions. And honestly, the results speak for themselves. Honestly, the motion is smooth, the quality is solid, and considering how many generations your token credits can cover, the value here is genuinely hard to ignore. So, if you've been wanting to use Seedance regularly without constantly worrying about running out of credits, BytePlus is probably one of the most interesting methods available right now. especially for creators producing content consistently. And honestly, most creators still don't know this platform exists, let alone how to use it correctly. If you're getting value from this tutorial so far, and you've learned something new today, take 2 seconds and hit the like button. It helps the channel grow and allows me to keep sharing more free AI tools, hidden websites, and powerful workflows like this one. And if you want more videos about the latest AI models before they become mainstream, make sure to subscribe, because that's exactly the type of content I'll be sharing on this channel.